Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. Today in this video we are going to see how we can create different routes in Next.js like get, post, put, patch, options, delete. This all we are going to see in this video. So if I show you, I will create a basic endpoint. So where I will I will come here and I will create one folder with the name test. Okay, and inside this test I will create one file with the name route.js. route.js. One more thing, guys. Make sure that your file name should be route.js. Folder name can be anything. Okay. So now, what I will for testing purpose, what I will do, I will go to Hopsjog. So basically, it is an kind of I can say postman. Okay, which can help us in getting like a request. It's basically kind of request. Okay, I will create here one file with the name test. Enter, and I will remove everything whatever it is here, and I will keep the base URL. So I will hover on it and I will see. You can see that base URL is localhost 3000 base on which our Next.js app is running. Okay, let me run npm run dev, and if I currently hit the URL with the name with the path as /test, so what will happen? I just created route.js file. So test, and I will save it and I will enter it. So it will basically, it need to given me 405 error. Okay, method not allowed means we have not specified any method. Now what we will do, we will make it get, and again we will see will it? No, because we have not specified any of the method. So what we will do here, export async function. Okay, name we will, so make sure guys, now I will show you. So now first we will make get method. So how we can make get method? Get. So this is the get method. Okay, now we will come back to the this one docs, Next.js docs. So here you can see what it is saying, how many supported methods are there. So here you can see there is get, there is post, put, patch, delete, head is there, and options is there. And they are telling also, if you have not specified any of the method, then we will return you 405. Okay, now how does exactly this works? So I will show you here, and I'm watching, by the way, the method I can use here. Okay, currently you can see this one is a get method, and we can return any of the response from here. Now I am looking how I can return the response. Okay, wait a while. Okay, can you see this one? This one. We will copy this and we will paste it here. Now what this is doing, so whenever we will hit the get method, it will return a response, hello Next.js, and we will make it, this is a get method. This is get method. Now we not want to send any token, or we not want to set any token here, so we have just removed that. Okay, now what if I hit the same URL now? Okay, let's hit, and let's see the, it has hit the test/test, and it has sent a 200 message, this one message. Now make sure that you can customize the status code also from here itself. And if I show you here in the message, you got a hello Next.js, this is get method. Now how can we create the post method? We will copy this and we will hit enter. Now we will convert this get to post. Make sure this is in caps. Okay, now, and we will change here also post. Now this is our post method. Okay, status code you can change according to yourself, and I will come here and I will do post and I will send. Now you can see this is a post method. Now next method is let me come here. Where is that? Supported method is, I think, at the top. Okay, here. So we have seen get, we have seen post. Now we will see put. Okay, we will again do the same. We will copy it and we will paste it, and we will make it put, and here also we will do put. So again we will hit. Okay, now we will change the method and we will send. Now you can see we have got the put. So next we will do patch. How we can do with patch? We will copy it and put pat, sorry, it will be caps. Okay, same we will make some changes here, and we will now hit enter with the patch. Now we are getting some error. The error is this extra bracket. Okay, Now next we will hit the enter button, like we will hit the patch request and we will send. Now you can see this is a patch method. Now next we will see delete method, how we can hit the delete. Can you see on the single path we are making all the methods, means all the CRUD operations can be handled in a one file itself. Okay, now we will make here delete, delete, and we will do the same here also, delete, and we will come here and we will hit delete, and no, sorry, we will change method to delete, and this is a delete method, guys. So can you see get, post, put, patch, delete, even head also will work in same way, and options will also work in same way, no changes. So you can see in a single file we have set up all the patch methods, like all the CRUD operations. So this is how, guys, you can do in a Next.js routing, like APIs routing or whatever you can see this. So that's all, guys, in this video. We will catch up you in another video. Thank you.